Hi, this is Amar Kedia. I lead the industrial research for MK. Ever since the new government came back to power, there has been immense investor interest in the overall infrastructure space. One of the pet schemes that the government has promised to deliver over the next 5 years is the Nal Se Jal scheme, or essentially water for all. There are parallels being drawn by many investors about power for all scheme that the same government had implemented in the previous 5 years, and which is why the buzz around it. Which is why we took a deep dive into this space to find out what really is the opportunity and how that can possibly be implemented. Our findings tell us that water could be as huge as a $70 billion opportunity over the next 5 years, and over an even longer time frame of almost 2 to 3 decades, this could be as big as $262 billion. The three key investment areas within water are water transmission, which is the most complicated as well as the largest opportunity within this space at about $150 billion. Water distribution, which is the last mile connectivity and essentially what Nal Se Jal scheme will look to implement in the next 5 to 10 years. That is at about $100 billion, and water treatment, which is the smallest of the opportunity at about $10 to $12 billion, but that is where the maximum action has been in the past. There are several challenges, however, to the fructification of this opportunity, most notably being water being a state subject, and hence it will not be very easy for the central government to implement these projects in isolation. There will be a lot of hand holding required by the center with the states or for the states to get this implemented in a very transparent and in a very lucid manner. Given the cooperative federalism structure that India adopts, I think this will be a very exciting but yet a very painstaking path that will gradually unfold in the water space over the next few years. The best way to play this water theme in our view is through the key EPC players, the largest of them being L&T, which has already bagged several very large orders in the water space in the last 3 to 4 years, and that is also our top pick in the industrial space. Apart from L&T, I think there will be pipes and pumps companies which will benefit out of this scheme. Among the key pipe companies which have done well in the last few years are Ratnamani Metals and Pipes, Tata Metallics, Jindal Saw and Welspun Corp, while in the pump space, the key companies which are present are KSB Pumps and Kaluska Brothers.